Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Fishing Professor channel. Today we're gonna catch some crappie. Here temperature is around 53 degrees Fahrenheit and we're in about 45 feet of depth. We're gonna use Bobby Garland monkey milk, Bobby Garland shad, and just have a split shot on top right here. So we're gonna catch some crappie and we're gonna share how we catch fish today with you guys. We'll show you the videos. Got one, guys, I got one. It's a big crappie right here. It's big. Good time.
First catch.
First cast and first catch. It's a beautiful crappie. Beautiful Beaver Lake crappie. Nothing gets better than this. Look at it.
Okay.
First fish of the day. What a nice start. Beautiful. Here. Got one. One more, guys. One more. Another slab. Big crappie. It's a huge crappie. Look at the color. Crappie are feeding up for the winter. They're getting fat. Here. Guys, one more, guys. One more.
And third one.
3 fish in 3 casts.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. 3.
Beautiful fish. That's 4. 4 in a row. Beautiful Beaver Lake crappie. One more time.
Oh, it's big. This looks so beautiful.
Really big. Nice one, guys.
Oh wow. Got one? That's one ready.
'15th. Just gone.
This is 16.
16.
Fresh. So beautiful. So look like elegant. And this is what is that? Lab. Hey, slab crappie. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, we finally caught 18 Beaver Lake crappies, huge ones, guys. It was a very productive day. We did pretty good. We only had to release like 4 or 5 fish because they're undersized. But overall, it's an awesome day. Maran is gonna show you the fish today. Yeah, 18 crappies, huge crappies.
All are legal.
Big crappie.